Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 medium Napa cabbage, about 2 pounds, and cut it into 2-inch wide strips for even fermentation and texture. Sprinkle 1/4 cup coarse sea salt evenly between leaves and let the cabbage rest 1 to 2 hours until limp and releasing liquid. This reduces bitterness and preserves crunch. Rinse thoroughly after soaking and drain well, squeezing out excess water by hand to achieve the right brine concentration. Reserve any milky brine for adjusting salt later, and set cabbage aside in a large bowl. Blend 1/2 cup gochugaru, 3 cloves garlic, 1 1-inch knob of ginger, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar into a smooth, spicy paste to replace anchovy-based sauces. Add 1/2 cup julienne daikon radish, 1 grated carrot, and 1/4 cup sliced green onion to the paste for texture and natural sweetness. Mix paste and vegetables thoroughly so every cabbage strip is evenly coated before packing. Use gloves to protect skin from chili oils, and work the mixture. Pack the coated cabbage tight into a clean jar, leaving 1-inch headspace and pressing out air pockets to keep everything submerged under brine. Ferment at 60-70 degrees F for 3 to 7 days, tasting daily and releasing built-up gas once a day by loosening the lid. Cooler temps slow fermentation, and warmer temps speed it up. When it reaches your preferred tang, refrigerate and store up to 3 months, always keeping the kimchi submerged in brine and using clean utensils to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.